Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. On this video, I would like to present about my quantitative research report about student problem of mind idea. Based on the background, the problem is this research is a follow the ability student to determine the mind idea is still low. Student can recognize the mind idea only the first sentence of each paragraph. The ability the student to paraphrase reading is still low. Students just copy or write some the content contained in discourse, not developing the idea contained in the reading. The learning techniques use a teacher in determining learning main idea and ability to find main idea very little reach to expected goal. The hypothesis is temporary answer to problem faced to need the text to truth with the more complete and supporting the data. This research was conducted to determine the problem of class student difficult in finding main ideas in the paragraph. In this case, the level of student ability is comprehending and reading text is still relatively low. 1. The total number of students from class 8A who have a problem finding main idea in reading report. There is our student classroom who have difficulty finding main idea of the reading paragraph text more than 10 people. There are students in class 8A who have difficulty the main idea of reading paragraph at least 5 people. The population and sample. The population study was taken from grade students of SMP T3 pada academic year of 2022 and 21. All students are divided into one classes and eight with 30 students, but not only 5 and 10 students were selected. There is such result. There is a result for question in the form of description. The total 5 number to 30 students in grade 8. After conducting the test, the research found the result that 30 students there are 10 students who have difficulty find main idea. The 10 students were selected and the 5 students. Then the 5 students were interviewed the causes of difficulty. Experienced teacher was also interviewing the related to factor class student difficulty in finding main idea. The random sampling or simple random sampling is sampling technique that provides equal opportunity for every number of population. How to collect using lottery number? If you want use the technique, make sure you have list of population name first. The primary data, namely data collected and processed by the researcher directly from the subject or subject of research. Secondary collection technique use documentation, interview, and observation. Collection techniques used by researcher for data validity will consist of source trial and data analysis technique use namely data reduction, data presentation, drawing conclusion. Descriptive analysis can be used to process quantitative data. This method uses to see the performance of the data is past so that we can draw conclusion from this. This method puts forward of description that allows you to learn from the past. Descriptive analysis has two different processes with which description interpretation. This type of method is commonly used in presenting statistical data. Okay, I think that's enough. Thank you so much. If I have mistake, please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.